After the meetings, next to it is briefcase.
Yes.
Click on briefcase. Briefcase is basically where we have put up all the different marketing collaterals of the organization, which could be PDF, PPT, document, Excel sheet, whatever is necessary for you to share with the customer so that he can take the buying decision, presenting products and services, answering objections. It's basically all about that.
Okay.
So where customer asks brochure भेजो, मुझे price sheet भेजो, technical specification sheet भेजो. There could be so many things that are necessary for the marketing team that they need to send to the customer.
Okay.
So you can add all that. So you can choose one.
PPT. Yeah.
Okay.
Load and demo PPT.
Correct. And next to that, you see there is a small share icon.
Yes.
Click on that.
Anyone?
Yeah, anyone.
Yeah, PPT.
It's a demo, so yeah.
Yeah. Again, through email, SMS, and WhatsApp.
So how would you like to send it now?
Email.
Please do that.
It's done.
Done?
Yes.
Okay.
Should I send it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Done. Go back to our app. Are you back in our app?
Yes.
Okay,
Briefcase.
cool. You are again in briefcase.
Yes.
So after now that we have done the meetings, we are doing follow-ups, we are going through the whole flow again and again, because building rapport is not as I said, you cannot just take someone for a cup of coffee at your home just because you met him once, right? There is a lot of to and fro which happens. There's a lot of communication that has to go, and after that a time comes when the customer says, ठीक है, अभी मुझे कोड भेज दो. Correct? So next to briefcase, you can see there is update status.
Yes.
Click on that. When you click on update status,
Yes.
it is the same window which opens up, which had opened during our call.
Yes.
So now, where it was earlier prospecting, so now click on prospecting, and now click on quote. Right? After that, click on call status.
Click on call status.
Choose call status.
Yes.
Say call successful, because now the customer has asked for a quote. In the notes, add in send quote for 5 products or whatever.
5 products quote.
Right?
Yeah.
Scroll up and click on done.
Yeah. Done.
Okay, you're back on the main screen.
Yes.
Now,
Data submitted successfully.
right, so now we have gone through the whole process, and now let's send a quote.
Yes.
Shall we? Would you like the sending of the quote to be as simple as the whole thing?
No.
No? You want it to be difficult?
No, this is the most simple thing. I'm just saying that this wouldn't be simple.
Right.
You have to check through again and again the numbers, the digits, everything.
Right. Okay. So now let's, make her life easier. On the top right corner, you can see there are 3 dots. On the top right corner.
Yeah.
Okay. Click on those, and you can see there is an option which says create quote.
Yes.
Click on that. Now there will be a pop-up which may ask you, would you like to add taxes or no? So say yes.
Okay.
And now you can see there are 3 different categories.
Yes.
Choose any one. So in a similar fashion for your products, you can have your own master categories.
Okay.
Then a subcategory. Click on that.
Choose subcategory.
And now you are able to see all the
Yeah, the products which I've choose.
Yes, not only those products, but you are able to see all the different sets of products through which you can send a quote.
Yes.
Now we send a quote via quantity, so you can go and pick up a product. Under the quantity, you can put in the quantity that you wish, you want to give the quote for. Only when you do that, now after you have added the quantity, just next to it, just say add to cart.
Okay. To each product?
Each product, yes.
Add to the cart. Yeah.
Okay. Now the add to cart button must have turned gray.
Yes.
So you can either click on that, or you can also click on the top right corner, there is a cart.
Yes.
Are you able to see all the products there?
Yes. Even the tax.
Right.
18% tax.
If you wish to give a discount on a certain product, under the edit button on the right side, for each product there is a small plus sign with DIS.
Yes.
Click on that. And now there is a section which asks you, do you want to give a discount in terms of percentage or
Yes.
in terms of flat discount?
Discount.
So would you like to give a 10% discount, or would you like to give 1000 rupees discount?
Percentage 10%.
Okay, so do that.
Yeah.
Click on update. Done.
Done.
And you can see on the top the prices must have changed,
Yes.
right? In a similar fashion you can do for the rest of the products. Now just scroll up, and at the end you can see there is continue. Click on that, and now you are on the page where we are going to send the code. Okay, but on the
Yes.
top you can see there is a button which says valid date,
Yes.
right? So choose a valid date. So what is the meaning of that? That whatever discount or terms you are adding, those are valid till XYZ time. So choose that, choose a certain date.
Done.
After that, below is notes.
Yes.
So if you want to add a certain notes for this specific code, you can do that. So if you want to add something, do that. Delivery against advance or something like that.
Done.
Done. If you further scroll up,
Yes.
you can see there is a section of shipping.
Yes.
So in case the products require some additional amount to be added as shipping, so you can click on that pencil icon and you can add the shipping as well.
Like 10, 20 rupees. Anything.
Whatever.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Done. Further scroll up, and now you can see there are two check boxes
Yes.
which says would you like to see the final cost. So click on that. So we have given an option over there where in case if you don't wish to show the final product price, like you want to send the quote as item number wise, only items with the main cost. So you can also do that, or you can put the total price. So choose, currently you can choose that.
Would you like to see the total price on the quotation?
Correct.
Tick.
So tick.
Yes.
And below that is choose
Terms and conditions.
condition. So click on that.
Okay.
You can add multiple terms and conditions to your quotations.
Okay.
So you cannot just need one, but if you have multiple bank accounts, you can do that. If there is, for different product cycles, there are different terms and conditions that the life scale, the life of the product, the guarantee, warranty, whatever different
Yes.
terms and conditions are, you can create multiple
Yes.
terms and conditions. Choose one.
Done.
Done. If you scroll up, it will ask you to choose the currency. So, being a global app, we also give you a facility to choose the currency in which you wish to send the quote in.
Okay.
So, if you're selling in US, you could create a quote over dollars. If you're selling in Dubai, dirhams, and vice versa, and so on and so forth.
Choose any.
Choose whichever you wish to. Okay, and at the end, you can see
Submit.
it says submit. Click on that. It will create a quote. And it has given you
Yes.
view and share.
Share.
So click on share code now. How would you like to share?
Mail. Okay.
Do that.
Yeah, it's done.
Okay. Now, as you're sending via email, why don't you also send via WhatsApp?
Okay. It's sent.
Send.
Yes.
Now, there is a link over there.
Oh. Yes.
Click on that link.
Yes. Every product. The quantity, the price, the total, everything is here. Whole quotation is here. It's easy.
Is it simple?
Very simple. Yes.
So the most important factor is that when it comes to sales, as the time is a crucial aspect, if you are not going to empower the sales team members to, make their lives simpler, they are further not going. I mean, they'll be more frustrated, because just remember, salesperson is the one who is actually facing the customer. He is taking their frustration. The customers, if they are good, but most of the time, अरे नहीं चाहिए. They are going through this whole chaos throughout the day, and we would like to say that this is a solution that we would like to offer, where they have this, they can get rid of the nonsense and focus on the ones which really work. And that's why it's called as lead con, which stands for lead conversion. Do you think with this you would be able to sell more and close more sales?
Yes, definitely.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay, go back to the app now. Okay, just click on back. Come back to the screen where we were able to send the call, email, SMS. Again back.
You want this screen?
The lead screen, correct.
Yeah.
Now click on view customer story.
Yes, the customer story.
Are you able to see each and every update?
Yes.
Right from the quotation that was sent
Yes,
to
even
everything.
the links.
Right?
Yeah.
So everything is accessible.
True.
Right?
Yes.
Now tell me one thing, while all this was happening, did you write any sales report?
No.
No, right? How much time do you take to write a sales report?
10-12 minutes.
Right? To write
Yeah.
a sales report.
Yeah.
Right? Now let's save that time as well.
Okay.
How much time does it take here? How much time does it take here?
0.
0.